Welcome to indoor shooting range. Baril, oh. Shooter, are you ready? Indoor shooting range here in Malarayat Country Club. Ikaw muna, kuya.
Sige. Pero nakikinig ka na sa orientation.
Nakakatakot to,
So sa rules of safety or yung cardinal rules, number 1, treat all firearms as if they are always loaded. Okay, sir, ito sa baril hawak ko, kinuha ko dito sa sa dapat. So isipin lagi natin yung baril pag hinawakan natin is always may lamang bala. Always i-check yung chamber, silipin kung may lamang bala. Okay? Then number 2, never point the firearm at anything you are not willing to destroy. So nandito na tayo sa loob, set natin. So yung muzzle down range ng baril is always dun na nakaharap sa target paper. Hindi pwedeng iharap sa katabi natin, sa likod, o kahit kanina. Okay? Number 3, always keep your fingers off the trigger until your sights are on your target. Meaning, always trigger finger out. Pag hindi pa ready mag-aim doon sa target paper, finger out. And that's know your target on your display. Okay, sir. Alamin lang natin kung yung nasa paligid natin. Okay, sir?
Okay.
Sino po ba muna, sir?
Si kuya muna.
Ilang rounds na po?
Kaya ilang rounds yan, kuya?
10 lang.
Tapos sa relax na yung pangalan, sir. Kalimutan ko dito.
Mali pala yun. Dito pala sa gitna dapat.